Picture.
Ay, maniwala.
Congratulations to candidate number 9, our Mr. Body Beautiful.
Yes, thank you so much, Sir Paulo Amores.
24, Mr. Close Up
Of
Smile.
course, this is not sponsored by Close Up, but we are going to get our Mr. Close Up Smile.
Yes, ito yung candidate na naman very good ang kanyang smile na project inside and outside the camera.
Yes, at talaga naman siya po ang nagtapaglay mo ng puuntang tagumpay.
Yes, ang title niya si Pierre sa turno.
Yes. Kaya naman,
To be awarded by James San Miguel.
Sir James.
May gusto sa akin yan.
Oo, hindi naman.
Yes, hindi naman sa tagmamala. Gusto ko ligawan niya kasi hindi ko siya type.
Ito na yung escort mo pala, si Jane.
Oo, diba? Kung mamin tawag mo, ako pahiya.
Alright, congratulations, our Man of Steel 2024, Mr. Close Up Smile is candidate number 7, James Vasquez.
Number 7.
Paano yung smile?
Yeah.
Talaga.
Ang sarap na kumiti.
Talagang hindi tagumpay.
Siyempre, sino ba di mo papangiti kapag ganyan ang ikita mo?
Yes. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, baby boy.
Okay, ang ating next.
Our next award is our Man of Steel 2024, Mr. Body Beautiful.
Ano ba ang ating Mr. Body Beautiful?
Siya ay nakatanggap ng body beauty kasi beautiful ang kanyang body.
Kaya tinawag na Body Beautiful.
Napakatalino ko talaga.
Buti nga ina-explain mo. Maraming
To
salamat.
be awarded by...
To help us award, we have Paulo Amores.
Oh my God! Sir Paulo Amores.
Yes!
Saka sa mga idol ko.
Idol.
Let's go, Paul.
Ang gwapo ni Paulo.
Yes.
Ako namin yung ex ko.
Baka siya yun.
Hello, Paul. Alright.
Alright, our Man of Steel 2024, Mr. Body Beautiful, is candidate number 9, Verhel Siason.
Number 9.
Salamin.
Yes.
May Pandi Manila.
Yes. Picture.
Ay, maniwala.
Congratulations to candidate number 9, our Mr. Body Beautiful.
Yes, thank you so much, Sir Paulo Amores. Mahal na mahal kita, Ben. Kami yung 1-2 ka dyan.
Alright, and our last award for this segment, our Rampadrak Club, Mr. Ambassador. To be awarded by Boss RS.
Francisco! At siya sa mga ambassador ng Rampant Drug Club at nakikita niyo siya dito every holiday.
Kapag sarado kami siya po, ang mga gift na inyo.
Hi, R. I love you so much.
Hello po, Sir RS. Our Rampadrak Drug Club, Mr. Ambassador is Kurt Del Rosario.
Mr. Polar Bear! Congratulations, picture!
Sobra na to.
Grabe yung balahibo.
Di na ako makahinga. Congratulations and thank you, Sir RS.
Congratulations, Kurt! And congratulations to our Amanda Steel Grand Finalists. And later on, makikita ulit natin sila on their next cast.
Sino ba yung nabetan nyo?
Anong number ang inyong bet?
Ano na?
Anong number? Number
11.
11. Ang Latino
One.
Yes, di ba? May 7, meron 10. Di ba?
Ano yung iba, hindi pa nakapagsalita kasi hindi pa masyadong tinatamaan ng alak.
Mamaya yan. Alright, so this time around, our best in superhero costume.
Wala.
goes to candidate number 7. Number 7. Yes, Hawkeye. Yeah.
Grabe ang bata pa ni Mocha.
Yes.
Congratulations!
Our man who's still best in superhero costume.
Yes, syempre maraming salamat kay Azumi, Prince, Costume and Rental.
Yes. Alright.
Ito ko pala, Ben.
Of course, we're also going to award our best in casual wear
Para makita niyo.
to be awarded by Charles Radford, Mr. A. World Cavite.
Yes. Sir Charles, palakpakan naman for Sir Charles, everybody.
Yes. Again, Tony, itong mga award na pinamimigay natin, ito yung mga awards ng preliminaries natin.
Yes, kasi nangyari ng preliminary slots last May 11.
Yes. Alright.
Sir Charles.
For our best in casual wear goes to candidate number 11, Mr. Juan Calma.
Ako, yung bet na mga malalandi dito.
Yes. Our best in casual wear. Picture.
Picture po.
Alright. And this time around, we're also going to award our Photographer Choice Awards. Ayan.
Yes.
So, we have 2 winners for this, and this will be awarded by Drex Photography.
Yes, this award is chosen by the photographer.
Yes, that's why it's called Photographer's Choice Award. Alright.
Sabi lang.
Where's our Drex? Ayan. Alright. Our first Photographer's Choice Award goes to... pwede na sabay na. Alright, sige. In 1, 2, 3, go! Victor Calanda and James Vasquez! Yes! Sila po ang ating
So, hapon award din na siya.
Photographer's choice.
Photographer's Choice Awards.
Sila yung
Yeah.
choice ng photographer, kaya photographer's choice.
Of course, our photographer, our official photographer is none other than Sir Drex.
Yes,
Yeah.
special thank you, Kodak Philippines.
Yes. Thank you so much. And once again, yan po ang ating first set of minor awards. Ayan, picture muna kayo. Nice. Ayan. Yes, Tony.
Yes, kaya naman mga Rampadora, una pa lamang yan.